Thank you friends for visiting Nature with Nesh channel. Please see my other videos regarding amazing Indian South Indian temples. Kukke Subramanya Swami Temple. Kukke Subramanya Swami is located amidst hills of Subramanya in Western Ghats. Lord Subramanya is the deity worshipped in the form of a cobra in the temple. Kukke Subramanya Swami Temple is the ideal place for Nagadosha Pariharam, remedy, through Sarpa Samskara Pooja, Ashlesha Pooja, Sarpa Dosha Pooja, Nagadosha Pooja, Kuja Dosha Pooja, Naga Prathishta Pooja, Sarpa Shanti. Benefits Sarpa Samskara Pooja and online booking are detailed. History. According to Hindu mythology, Lord Kumaraswamy came to this place after killing the demon rulers Taraka, Shurapadmasura and others in a war, and Lord washed his Shakti Ayudha. Shakti Ayudha is a battle axe in the shape of a bayonet, in this river. From then the river is famous as Kumaradhara. After his battle with the demons, Lord Kumaraswamy came to the top of Kumaraparvatha along with his brothers Lord Ganesha, Virabahu and other aides. He was received by Lord Indra along with other gods. Pleased by the success of the war, Indra prayed the Lord to be kind enough to marry his daughter Devasena. This was agreed upon courteously and the marriage took place on the banks of Kumaradhara on Margashira Shuddha Shashti. Lord Kumaraswamy also gave darshan to Vasuki, the head of Nagas, who was making a penance here. Vasuki prayed to the Lord to stay along with him permanently at this place, and the Lord granted him this boon. From that time it is believed that the Lord has made his spiritual presence in this shrine along with his wife Devasena and Vasuki. Every year a famous car festival is being held here on Margashira Shuddha Shashti with special pujas to the Lord. Pilgrims going to the temple have to cross the Kumaradhara river, taking a holy bath in it before they go on to the temple to have darshan. The devotees enter the courtyard from behind and walk around to go before the idol. There is Garuda pillar covered with silver between the sanctuary and the portico entrance. It is believed that the pillar was charmed and planted there to shield the devotees from the poison flames streaming from the breath of Vasuki who resides inside. Devotees circle the pillar. Beyond the pillar is the outer hall and then the inner hall, and after that the sanctuary of Sri Subramanya. In the center of sanctuary is a pedestal. On the upper dais stands the idol of Sri Subramanya and then the idol of Vasuki, and somewhat lower the idol of Shesha. Devotions to these deities take place daily. Sarpa Samskara, Sarpa Dosha. Sarpa Samskara / Sarpa Dosha is one of the pujas performed at these temples by devotees to get rid of the Sarpa Dosha. According to belief, a person either in this birth or any of his previous births can be afflicted by the Sarpa, serpent, dosha, curse, either knowingly or unknowingly through many ways. Persons who are afflicted with this dosha are advised by the astrologers / horoscope writers to perform this puja for their well-being. Puja can be done either by the person afflicted if he is a male and married, or through a priest. This is because the puja involves rituals similar to the ones done in performing Shraddham, death rites. Sarpa Samskara Seva devotees are required to stay for 2 days. The seva occurs in the daytime with no particular pujas in the evening. Food arrangements will be provided to the said devotees by the temple devasthanam, for 4 persons only per seva. Due to the wide belief in the snake god in the coastal regions of Karnataka and Kerala, this puja is performed by people from all faiths. Puja timings. The pujas in the Sri Subramanya temple are conducted according to the Vaikashana Agama system, which is very rarely found in our province. On festivals and other sacred days, special pujas are prescribed for such occasion. When the zava takes place at night, Ratri Puja is conducted first with sprinkling of Shankathartha, after which the zava idol is brought out. The customary zava, puja, Mangalarati and Ashtavadana are conducted either before the Sannidhi or in the prescribed places. When both the Tantri and the Archaka are present, the former conducts the Ga Puja in the morning, the Mahapuja and Akshaya Padara Puja at the noon and the Devati Seva in the evening. The Archaka conducts the rest of the pujas. Temple timings and darshanam. Morning 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. Evening 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. Daily puja timing. Morning, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Noon, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Night, 7 a.m. to 7:45 p.m. Purpose and uses of doing Sarpa Samskara. Sarpa Samskara Puja is generally suggested for unmarried people. Sarpa Dosha is generally believed to be the result of misdeeds from a past life/lives revisiting your present life. If your Atma, soul, has caused any harm to snakes in a prior life, then it will cause problems for you in this life. Hence Sarpa Dosha. In order to obtain relief from Sarpa Dosha, you need to perform Sarpa Samskara. The cost of a Sarpa Samskara ranges from Rs 1,300 to Rs 1,800. How to perform Sarpa Samskara. If you want to do the Sarpa Samskara, you need to go to the temple situated 285 km from Bangalore and 60 km from Mangalore. It is mandatory to stay there for 2 days. Accommodation is available, ranging from Rs 150 to Rs 400 per day, non-AC/AC. The puja cost for a Sarpa Samskara is Rs 1,500. In order to perform a Sarpa Samskara puja, it is advisable to book in advance. The temple authorities help out, though, by charging around Rs 300 to Rs 500 extra for a puja to be performed without prior booking. The puja is a 2-day program. On the first day it starts at 7:00 am and ends at 12:30 p.m., followed by lunch at the temple. Only good food is also provided at the night by temple. You are not supposed to eat/drink in the hotels or elsewhere during these 2 days. Next day again you will be required to attend phase 2 of the puja, which again lasts for 4 hours, again followed by lunch. If you have not booked in advance, then it is advisable to reach the temple 1 day at least the earlier evening, prior to the intended puja day. The maximum number of people who can participate in Sarpa Samskara at one time is 4. Carry some washed cotton clothes to wear at the puja. Brahmin community people are to do the puja themselves. For non-Brahmins there will be temple-appointed pujari performing on behalf of you. Couples having trouble in conceiving are also advised by astrologers to do the Sarpa Samskara. Ashlesha Bali Puja. Ashlesha Bali Puja and Sarpa Samskara are 2 important Sarpa Dosha pujas that are done at Kukke Subramanya temple. Ashlesha Bali usually lasts for a couple of hours. It is called Ashlesha Bali as it has to be performed on Ashlesha Nakshatra. If performed on other days it has no power. The charges for Ashlesha Bali Puja is 250 rupees. Festivals and celebrations. The annual festival is celebrated here every year from Kartikeya Dwadashi to Margashira Shuddha Purnima. But the devotees begin to throng here as early as Kartikeya Amavasya and will continue to do so till Margashira Shuddha Sathami. The Lakshadweep Utsava is celebrated on the day of Kartikeya Amavasya and on the 4 succeeding days. The Chandra Mandala Utsava, Ashwavahan Utsava, Mayurvan Utsava and Flower Chariot Utsava are conducted respectively. On Panchami, the 5th day, Panchami Rath Utsava is celebrated at night. On the Shashti day, Sri Subramanya Swami and Uma Maheshwara come out at an auspicious hour in the morning to participate in the festival. Sri Subramanya Swami mounts the Brahmaratha and God Uma Maheshwara the Panchami rather. Then a very strange occurrence takes place. The Garuda Pakshi, kite which never can be found in this place on the rest of the days of the year, makes its appearance at the time of Rathrohana and again at the time of Avabarth Mahasava the next day. This can never be explained unless we attribute to the holiness of this place. At the time of Car festival the chariot is pulled by means of cane. The moment the Car festival is over, the devotees vie with one another to get hold of a piece of this cane because this is considered to be very effective cure even for the most virulent positions like that of a snake bite. Then the god alights from the chariot. The devotees perform various kinds of worships. Then the Mahapuja and the Mahasandharpana, feeding of Brahmins, take place. The next day of Shashti also Sri Kumaraswamy comes out to take part in the festival. After the Okli Puja, sprinkling of saffron water, God proceeds to Matsya Tirtha where the Nauka Viharosava and the Avabritha takes place. After this festival the devotees and pilgrimage start returning and the density of the population lessens gradually. But the festivals continue till Purnami. On that day Mahu Samprakshana is conducted and with this the annual festivals come to a close. How to reach Subramanya temple. Buses service to Kukke Subramanya Swami can be reached by road from Mangalore and Bangalore. KSRTC is operating buses daily from these two places. There are several government buses run between Mangalore and Bangalore. Also private buses are easily available from main city bus stand. Private bus services also commute Bangalore to Subramanya. Private buses leaves Bangalore to Kukke Subramanya around 10:30 to 11 p.m. in the night. Distance from Kasaragod Kerala to Temple is 83 kilometers. The distance between Temple and Madikeri is 66 kilometers and distance from Mangalore to Subramanya is 107 kilometers. Distance from Subramanya to Dharmasthala is 72 km. By train. The nearest railway station is Subramanya Road Railway Station, SBRS, on Mangalore-Bengaluru railway route, which at 7 kilometers from Subramanya. One can catch a local transport from the station for a journey of 15 minutes to the temple. Subramanya is 105 kilometers away from Mangalore, 285 kilometers from Bangalore and 151 kilometers from Karwar. By air. Nearest airport is Mangalore Bipe International Airport. You can also come from Bangalore Airport, but it's 254 km far. Thank you friends, please subscribe if still not subscribed. Nature with Nesh. Thank you.